Hey there YouTube, it is I, Ripshot coming at you with the next part of the command videos things, and this is literally just like recorded back to back but uploaded separately and everything, so I don't have to wait a million years for one video and then something go wrong and then wait a million years to re-upload. So this makes it easier on everyone. Now, we just went over the dice command. Once again, all those links are in the last video's description. Make sure you go to it, get all the links, get all the shoutouts, and make sure you're all goody-goody with those. If you haven't already known about the commands we did all the way from AFK all the way to dice, and we're going to be doing from Discord all the way to hopefully at least next rank. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the commands. So we have the Discord command. Pretty simple. It's one of my custom commands I made. Just says my Discord, which will be linked down below, so you don't have to scroll in all tiny like just to join in. If you really want to join in, it will be in the description down below. It actually got updated from being my specific Discord to just being a Discord directed to Robocraft streamers. So there's a couple more streamers in there, such as Shadonian, if you want to go say hello to him, or Strongest Skimp. They're also in there. But yeah, that's that. No functions, just simple Ripshot Twitch Discord, and then it gives the invite link, in which you would join it just like any other Discord server. Then you have the flip command, which once again it's made by Azure Yoshi. I didn't look up her name or anything, it just kind of recorded back to back. I'm just assuming that is her proper YouTube name. I apologize if it's not. I'm worried I skewered it, but we're gonna keep going. It is the flip command. Once again, another little thing to make points in the stream through the chat. Once I find it, flip. Oh yeah, also, just a tip about this. If you're going to be using read rand line and making it read files, make sure there's no spaces, because spaces kind of make files very iffy. It's generally just a golden rule with any sort of coding. Spaces really can hurt the code. So underscore if you have to use a space, just like I did down here for coin flip. Coin underscore flip if you have to, or don't add a space like I did there for cap spam. But as we'll go on down the list, we'll be looking for flip. Flip. Where did I put flip? Coin flip. It's named coin flip. I was just looking at it. So as you see, two simple lines: an add points function, remove points function. User between 20 and 100 they'll win, between 25 and 100 they'll lose. Depends on which line they get, and it will move or add just like the last video I said. There's a function, targets the user, the lowest amount, highest amount of the value, and then the message of it. They flip tails, picks the value, picks the currency name. So it'll say, as example, you flip tails, 44 points have been removed from your virtual wallet is what it'll say. And then if you don't have enough to flip or something goes horribly wrong, it'll do the fail message. And then the fail check for appears. You gain nothing. And that one's pretty straightforward. We have the follow command, which I don't know if it's different. Yes, it is. It's just a little command of my bot saying, if you enjoy the stream, be sure to smash that follow button. You're all amazing. Double smiley. So yeah, that's pretty simple. No functions, just says to follow if you enjoy the stream. Then we have a following command, which uses a function of read API. What read API does is it'll read APIs of, well, an API. These are online databases. As far as to my knowledge, I'm not really big with APIs, but they're online services that you can use, and it allows you to do certain things. This API, I will just literally copy and paste this one, put it in the description as a Pastebin Link, and right here it won't say Ripshot Blue, it will say channel, like that. Delete channel, put it in your Twitch username, and there you go, it's set up. So when somebody goes to here and does following, it won't work for me because I can't follow myself. The bot will even say that, but if I was following, it would say how long I've been following me for. Pretty simple API to use. You can use this function for really any API. Just make sure it's just like read van line. It has the function and its target. Pretty easy. Now, if we go to the next one, we got gift. Once again, another one made by Zuriyoshi. What gift does is read ran line. User gives read ran line to rand user. You're welcome. So it targets the user, and then it says gives. It'll read a random line from this file to rand user, which means it'll pick a random user also watching the stream, and it'll say you're welcome. What this means is if I do gift, Ripshot Blue gives a bucket of hot cheese to Ripshot Blue. You're welcome. Obviously, the bot can't pick himself, so he picked me twice, since I'm the only one in the chat right now that isn't a bot. So now if we go into chat games here and we go into gift, you'll see that it is just a bunch of random food and items, stuff you can give it to give. You know, I added a couple things like Ripshot Blue's beard, 3 Lamborghinis, the United States of Narnia, 3 stolen robots, Tyrone the mouse, Tyrone the mouse, and a tube of Play-Doh. You can add more, less, whatever you really want to do. All this will be in Pastebin Links, of course. Now you got the give command. Now what give does is it'll give points. That's the function it uses, and that's its use. You can give another user in the stream points if they don't have enough to do something like enter a raffle or request a song. You can always help them out. It uses the give points function. The user, the target that you specified. So you do give exclamation point give, then whoever you're doing it to. So whoever you're doing it to is the target. It'll do the num2 target, and then user has just given target the value that you've given the currency name. What a generous person. And then if it fails, user was going to give target value currency name, but user is too broke. Perhaps somebody would feel pity on you and give you some. That's its fail check. Very easy. Once again, Pastebin uses a few of the functions, all in the documentation down below if you want to play with them, but they're pretty straightforward. Now we're going to go into the giveaway command that I have. Man, we're just flying through this. With the giveaway command, it literally has no functions or anything. It's just my little response thing. You do exclamation point giveaway, the bot will say the information for when I do robot giveaways in Robocraft. So it'll say a robot giveaway will happen near the end of the stream or Robocraft play. There's no specific time for this giveaway other than knowing it is today. That's usually the case for any giveaway I do for robots, so I just generally said that. You must have 250 stream points to enter. Multi-entry will be enabled and must have a Twitch account to gain points. Just watch the stream, gamble your points in chat, interact with chat for points. Good luck, everyone. Pretty straightforward. Kind of specifies for you, gives you all the information you need. Pretty fine and dandy. Let's see if we can go over a couple more here before I have to cut it into another video. Oh, we got highlight, which is set to caster. But what it does is it'll let me highlight. So, for example, if something amazing happens, I can just do exclamation point highlight, and this file down here, highlight, it's blank now, but if I go into here, highlight timestamp saved. Now if we go into highlight, close out of it, reopen it, it'll say the time, the day, and the game I'm playing, just so I can actually like clip it and make a proper video out of it, like a highlight reel or something. That's what that's for. Pretty simple. This one's just save to file. In quotation marks this time inside the brackets, the location, then comma, quotation marks, the time, the uptime, quotation, or comma, quotation, highlight, timestamp, save, exclamation point, happy face, and then quotation, comma, quotation, failed, quotation, bracket. And that's it. It'll be in the Pastebin as well. Make it easy for everyone. Now that you got those, we can do the, how many more do we got? We're pushing 10 minutes already. We'll do one more. So we got join info, which is just another custom one. Pretty simple. If you want to join the platoon, do !join, Robocraft name, and you'll be in the queue as long as you have 25 CPU to join. CPU is referring to my stream points, so I'll actually update right now to say points to join, modify, yes. Now what it refers to this, it's referring to the queue, which I can quickly go over as well. This is the Robocraft platoon queue that I use. It can be used in any sort of game or however you want to use it. I use it for platooning up when I have more people than the party size wanting to join. You would name it whatever you're naming it here. You would set the command that they would have to enter to join and the permission. If you have a specific permission like minimum hours or points or rank, you would put that information in here. So for points, you would just set the amount of points, done. Set the cost for it. So here it would normally be 25, not 250, 25. And the max queue size, however you want. I could set it to 100 if I really wanted to let a lot of people in. If there was that many people wanting in, then holy crap. But then what you would do is you open queue. It's all fine and dandy. It opens. Queue is opened up for Robocraft platoon. It costs 25 points. Type exclamation point to join. Robocraft IGN, meaning your in-game name, to join. Playing League, so MMR 1200 plus is asked. That's usually about the rank I'm at, so that's just its default messages. All of it can be changed in the settings under localization. Now that's gonna be it for this recording. I'm gonna go ahead and keep recording another video or two. Hopefully get all these done so I can upload all these videos all today. I think this is the third recording, so I think there'll be 4 videos on my channel here back to back, including this one and then next one. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe for more content. If you like it, make sure to thumbs up it. If you dislike it, then thumbs down it. Comment if you have any questions or anything really. Feedback is always good. And I hope everyone has a marvelous day. Ripshot Blue is out.